Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make churros tasty. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and measure ingredients precisely to get a consistent dough texture. Warm water and melted butter make the dough smooth and easy to pipe. Chill briefly if the dough seems too loose, then pipe directly into the oil, being careful with spacing. Finish with cinnamon sugar right out of the fryer for maximum crunch and flavor. Start by bringing water and butter to a gentle boil, then stir in flour off the heat to form a soft paste. Add eggs slowly, beating between additions until the dough becomes glossy and pipeable. If the dough feels too loose, chill 5 to 10 minutes to firm up. Always fry a small piece to check texture before piping the entire batch, which saves time and ingredients. Quick recommendation: if you ever stash leftover churros, those leak-proof containers make meal prep and transport effortless and tidy, especially with sugary coatings. They stack easily, keep oil and crumbs contained, and fit nicely in a picnic bag for sharing treats. If you like free tips like this, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the oil steady at 350 degrees F to 360 degrees F, so churros brown evenly and develop a crisp shell without burning. Pipe strips directly into the oil, turning once for uniform color, then drain on a wire rack to keep them crisp all around. While hot, toss churros in a cinnamon sugar mix so the coating adheres and flavors bloom, then serve immediately with chocolate or dulce de leche for dipping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.